Today we're breaking down what the BMW Connected Package Professional is all about. Think of it as a bundle of smart digital features that take your driving experience to the next level way beyond just GPS or Bluetooth. With this package, you get live traffic navigation, automatic map updates, and remote access through the My BMW app so you can find your car, lock it, or even send destinations to it right from your phone. It also includes an in-car SIM card for internet services like weather updates and online search without using your phone's data. If you have iDrive 5 or newer, it improves voice commands and even shows real-time remote 3D view of your car's surroundings. Need Wi-Fi on the go? That's built in too. And just like a smartphone, your BMW can auto-update software and send service info directly to your dealership. Final verdict. If you own a BMW with the right hardware, the Connected Package Go is a game changer for convenience, safety, and staying connected. It's free for the first 4 years on many new models. After that, you decide if it's worth keeping.